Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer. This is my first initial run. I'm attempting to show you what home hemodialysis is like for me. It's different for everybody. It's not for everybody. It takes a special kind of person to do this. I've been doing it for 11 years. I just wanted to put it out there finally on YouTube so everyone can see my home setup, what I go through, yada yada. It is a very long process. It takes anywhere from 2.5, 3 to 4 or 5 hours in this chair to complete an entire run. I'm going to start with setup. I've got it set up right here behind me. You can see the machine here. I don't have a batch made. This machine down here is where I make my own dialysate fluid here at home from my tap water. But I don't have a batch of dialysate fluid made, so tonight I'll be running on hanging bags. I run on 4 hanging bags in one run. 3 of them hang and 1 of them sits here in the warmer. The other 3 hook up directly to the one, and then from there it's warmed and is used through the machine. So right now I'm getting ready to do a snap and tap because I've already gone through the setup process for the saline to push all the air out of the lines. So right now I'm going to go through the snap and tap process so you can see how extenuating it can be sometimes. So let's get started. Let's start over here with the red line, which is the arterial line. That's the blood that comes out of the leg, and the best way to remember that is red, you dead. And you just snap and snap. And the whole time you're snapping and tapping, the fluid is pumping through the machine and carrying those air bubbles up to the saline bag here. This is the arterial pressure pod. I'm banging the air out of that. And now I come around the machine to the filter, remove the little plastic tabs so that I can remove the filter. Now I'm going to start banging the filter. Yeah. And now I'm going to tap the sides of the filter with my little wrench thingy here. I guess these would be pliers, not a wrench. My bad. I'm not a mechanic. And I'm just tapping the rest of the air out of all these little fibers. And now I'm snapping again. We'll go back around where it comes out at the top, and we're snapping again. Alrighty, now I'm done snapping. Well, I won't push stop yet because I still have to weigh myself, and the more that it pumps through, the more air it's going to push out. So if there's any tiny air bubbles left in there, hopefully they'll filter through. Now, here comes the point in my run where I go weigh myself and write down numbers on my paperwork and the whole 9 yards. and then I will come back and we will resume.